I am Queen Jahan, the brown-skinned Black Indian queen of planet Earth. Brown-skinned Black Indian girls, you carry beauty in our history. Your skin tells a story of strength and heritage. Your beauty is timeless. Brown-skinned girls inspire the world. Confidence grows when you embrace your roots. Brown-skinned girls shine with natural confidence. Your identity is powerful and meaningful. Make your presence unforgettable. The world needs your light. Success begins when you believe in your vision. Your heritage is a crown. Every brown-skinned girl deserves admiration. Strength lives in your spirit. Lead with strength. Queens support queens.